Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I decided that I was going to do a unboxing of my May Boxy charm, basically because I just got it in the mail today and I can't wait to open it, and it doesn't require much thinking, and this is like my second video and I'm still a little nervous, so I figured it'd be the easiest one to do. So it's not opened. Got my address, see? And let's open it and see what's in it. And of course I didn't bring anything to open it. Open, you dang thing. Really? I don't have anything. We'll use an earring. Really?
Come right, Darcy. And let's open it and see what's in it. And of course, I didn't bring anything to open it. Open, you dang thing. Really? I don't have anything. We're using it. Really? It's gotta be under the label too. Hold on. Stupid nylon tape stuff. It's ruining my thing. And try to make up short set, and I don't have anything to open the dang thing with. Alrighty now.
So next unboxing that we'll do is we'll open it beforehand. Alrighty. So, and it's open. Finally, 50 years later. Alright, so this is how it comes. It says makeup is art. Yay! It has all the listings and everything of what everything costs back here, but I don't look at that because I want to be surprised. So, this is what we got. Let's dive in. Alright, we have a spoolie and angled brush from, it's called the Brow Gal by Tony Crooks. Okay. Can always use another spoolie. And let's see here. And we have another, the Brow Gal from Tony Crooks. It's CB02 brown hair. Well, hey, I have brown hair. Well, brown and red. See here. Ooh. Oh, it says, do your face a favor. That's pretty nice looking. Always looking for new brown stuff. Alright. And we have some Boxy Charm Liquid Glow. Excuse my nails, they need to be done. Badly. I actually had a surgery a little over a week ago, so I couldn't have them on, but I usually have fake nails. And this is, it looks like an artiste brush. Open it. Ooh, it's really, really soft. Oh, it's a crown brush. Crown brushes are amazing. And it comes with this little cap. Put it on like that. Protect your brush, that's awesome. And a contour cream palette by Beauty Creations. Oh, lost the little thing. There it is. I've never had cream contour, so that's awesome. Yeah, love that. Alright, so it's kind of a short video, but if you want to see reviews on any of the stuff that we got in here, let me swatch this because that looks amazing. Ooh, ooh, very, very liquidy. Oh yeah, yeah, I love that. Definitely gonna play with that. So like I said, if you want reviews on anything, or if you liked what you saw, please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button. Lovely swatch. Subscribe to come back and see me again. And I'll be testing these out through the month, and please look out for more videos from me. And again, if you liked it, subscribe. Have a great day. And remember, everybody, do you, boo. Bye.